Hey everyone, welcome to the Pock Motorsports channel. I'm Jacob Beerwagon, and on today's video, we're gonna finish up our dash.
Well, there you go, folks. Let me know what you think. I'm done with my center console dash thingy. Now it's time to pull it all apart and with some spray paint and throw her in for good. Got my wiring kind of organized on the back here. Let me know what you guys think. Well, there she is, all sanded down and ready for paint. I'm gonna start by hitting it with some of this self-etching primer. I don't know if you need it for Rust-Oleum or not, but that's how I always done it in body shops and stuff, so just gonna do it just to be safe. Alright, so got my first very thin coat of black on there. Just using this Rust-Oleum satin black. Well, she is all painted up. The last thing I did was added all these brackets here to hold my fuse block and the relays and things. So anyways, now it's time to put it together and get in the car. Well, there she is, all assembled, painted, and got all my wiring and stuff on the back. Now it's time to put her in the car. Well, everyone, there she is. It's all painted up and installed.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like that dash, like, comment, subscribe, or just tell me what you think. That'd be sweet. Out.